Hey, what's up? Smoking with Scruggs here, and we're gonna do a little short video. This is gonna be like super short. It's I'm gonna do a review on a rub that I'm gonna do on some chicken wings, and I'm not gonna show you all this stuff. You all know how I do chicken wings and everything, but this is gonna be super short, and this is gonna be on gas grill. Now don't rag on me, but I'm gonna show you why this is gonna be quick. I'm not even going outside except for to light this thing and to throw these things on it. Check this out. This is crazy. That's the temperature outside today. 111 degrees. 111. You can't even breathe out there. This is in Virginia, folks. In Virginia. I got 3 indoor air conditioners, and I can only get this house cooled down to 72 degrees. Now this is what we're using. This is what we're using today. And I'm just going to put this on some chicken wings. I ain't going to smoke them or anything. And I'm just going to like stick this on there. I can't remember who it was. It was somebody on YouTube though that really gave this a good rating. So I ordered some online. It says it's for fish and chicken, which is kind of a weird combination. But I'm going to try it and see, because I've had some of the other stuff and it was pretty good. So we're just going to throw this on some chicken wings, and we're just going to throw them on gas grill, because for one, it's so hot outside. I don't want to be standing around no hot grill. And the other thing is, I've got all my grilling stuff. I kind of tidied my yard up a little bit, and I've got all the grilling stuff away from the deck. The only thing I've got on the deck is my gas grill. So that's what we're doing. And basically I'm just going to, you know, show you the ending result of what they look like. I might show you what they look like going, you know, while I'm cooking them or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna like throw this stuff on and throw them on the grill. We ain't like marinating or nothing. Just bam, stick them on the grill, and we just go cook these bad boys up. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, as always. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, it smells good too. Got some chicken breast down there for the wife. Alright, these things are probably about ready to come up here. I'm gonna give them one more flip. I'm gonna stick a thermometer in them, and maybe rather pull them off and bring them inside. And we'll do a taste test. Let you know how they taste. They look really good. They smell really good. Juice running out that thing. Alright, we'll put a thermometer in them, and we'll probably end up taking them in the house. Hey, what's up? Got these wings done. Man, it's still hot out there. It's like 5 o'clock and it's still 100 degrees outside. But I got these wings done. We will try them and see what this rub tastes like. Man, some kind of good. Yeah, definitely a go. I'm glad I didn't put no sauce on them. Hold on a second, I'm gonna put this down. I ain't got my camera stand because I'm just like one-shotting this today. Hold on a second. Yeah. This stuff's a bomb. Yeah, it's really good. I highly recommend this. Man, I'm probably going to eat all of these. Definitely a good rub. This is not real spicy, got a good taste though. Actually, well, this would be good on some shrimp or fish too. Bam. Yeah, let me show this stuff to you one more time. I got it online, called Everglades fish and chicken rub. It's from Everglade Foods, and the website is www.evergladesseasoning.com. Yeah, this is delicious. I'm gonna definitely be buying some more of this. Go get you some. Alright, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. This is like I say, short video today, but just chicken wings with a new rub. That's all we're doing. Thanks a lot and have a great evening. Stay cool if you're out in the Virginia area. Man, it's like hot. Hey, what's up? Just sitting here, and I've ate about 5 or 6 of these wings that I made, and they're really good, but I have found out that I went a little too heavy on this rub. This stuff you really don't need a lot of. If you go too much, it's got a little too much salt, so I would just go light. I did. I went really heavy on it, but I never used it before. Live and learn. Next time I won't use as much, but it's got a good flavor to it. I really don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. But if you go heavy, I think it's got a little, mostly salt based. It just says spices on the bottle. It really doesn't give you a list of exactly what's on it, but it's definitely got some salt in it, so go light with it. It's really good, but just go light. You don't have to do a lot. I went really heavy, so just wanted to throw that in there. And I appreciate you watching. Hit the like button. If you don't like it, that's fine. Hit the thumbs down button. That's fine with me. I don't make no money. I just like making videos. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.